Question number 291. You have a virtual machine that you need to have a public endpoint accessible from the internet. Which of the following resources do you need to have in order to achieve your goal? Option A, IIS web server. Option B, Azure firewall. Option C, public IP address. Option D, VPN gateway. The correct answer is option C, public IP address. To make a virtual machine accessible from the internet, you need to assign a public IP address to it. This will enable the VM to have a public endpoint that can be accessed externally. Azure Firewall, VPN Gateway, and IIS Web Server are not required for this specific purpose, although they can be part of the overall architecture depending on the scenario. Question number 292. Fill in the blank. Cloud computing is a model of delivering IT services such as computing, networking, and storage over the internet on a blank space basis. Option A, pay upfront as a capital expense. Option B, pay as you go. Option C, long-term contract. Option D, case by case. The correct answer is option B, pay as you go. Cloud computing delivers IT services over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis, which means you only pay for the resources you use rather than paying upfront or committing to a long-term contract. Question number 293. Which of the following is not a key component of Zero Trust security? Option A, micro-segmentation. Option B, least privilege access. Option C, continuous monitoring. Option D, strong passwords. The correct answer is option D, strong passwords. While strong passwords are an important aspect of overall security, they are not a core component of Zero Trust security. Zero Trust focuses on principles like micro-segmentation, least privilege access, and continuous monitoring to ensure that every request is authenticated and authorized regardless of where it originates. Question number 294. What is the default storage account type used by agent copy? Option A, blob storage. Option B, queue storage. Option C, table storage. Option D, file storage. The correct answer is option A, blob storage. By default, Agent Copy is designed to work with blob storage in Azure. It is commonly used for transferring data to and from Azure Blob Storage. Question number 295. What is the primary benefit of high availability in cloud computing? Option A, reduces scalability. Option B, increases cost. Option C, minimizes downtime and ensures continuous service. Option D, requires manual intervention. The correct answer is option C, minimizes downtime and ensures continuous service. High availability in cloud computing ensures that services are always available, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous access to applications and data. It typically involves redundant resources and failover mechanism to maintain service during outages. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 296. Which of the following is a key difference between Azure B2B and Azure B2C? Option A. B2B is for internal users, while B2C is for external users. Option B. B2B is for cloud-based applications, while B2C is for on-premises applications. Option C. B2B is for business-to-business collaboration, while B2C is for business-to-customer interactions. Option D. There is no significant difference between two services. The correct answer is option C. B2B is for business-to-business collaboration, while B2C is for business-to-customer interaction. Azure B2B, business to business, allows organizations to securely share their resources with external partner organizations. Azure B2C, business to consumer, is designed for businesses to manage access to their applications and services for external customers. Question number 297. A small startup with limited IT resources and a need for flexible scalability would be best suited for which cloud model? Option A. Community cloud. Option B. Private cloud. Option C. Hybrid cloud. Option D. Public cloud. The correct answer is option D. Public cloud. A small startup with limited IT resources and a need for flexible scalability would benefit from the public cloud. The public cloud provides on-demand resources, cost efficiency, and scalability without the need to maintain and manage physical infrastructure, making it an ideal choice for startups. Question number 298. What are the two types of manageability for cloud computing? Option A. Human resources. Option B. Management of the cloud. Option C. Management in the cloud. Option D. Reducing expenses through automatic scaling. The correct answers are option B. Management of the cloud. Option C. Management in the cloud. Management of the cloud refers to managing the underlying infrastructure, resources, and services that make up the cloud environment. Management in the cloud refers to managing the applications, data, and services that are hosted within the cloud environment. Both types are crucial for ensuring that cloud services are effectively and efficiently operated. Question number 299. According to the shared responsibility model, who is responsible for keeping the guest operating system, Windows or Linux, updated on an Azure virtual machine? Option A. The customer, such as you. Option B. It's actually automatically taken care of and no one needs to do anything. Option C. The cloud provider, in this case Microsoft Azure. The correct answer is option A. The customer, such as you. According to the shared responsibility model, when using Azure virtual machines, the customer is responsible for managing the guest operating system, including keeping it updated. The cloud provider, in this case Microsoft Azure, is responsible for underlying physical hardware, network, and infrastructure. Question number 300. Fill in the blank. Blank space refers to the policies, processes, and controls that organizations implement to ensure that their cloud computing initiative align with their overall business objectives and risk management strategies. Option A, governance. Option B, security. Option C, manageability. Option D, reliability. The correct answer is option A, governance. Governance refers to the policies, processes, and controls that organizations implement to ensure that their cloud computing initiative align with their overall business objective and risk management strategies. It helps ensure compliance, risk management, and alignment with business goals. We have now completed all 300 questions and answers for the AZ900 exam. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. If you found this useful, please give it a like. Share it with your friends who are also preparing, and please don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. Wish you all the best for your AZ900 exam. See you in the next video.